Operations and supply chain management could be identified as one of the trending areas of studies students prefer to gain their qualifications. What I have seen is that majority of the students are keen and eager to understand the conversion process from raw materials to end product or going beyond until its consumption. Every product we use or consume goes through this chain of activities, and it involves a vast area that students could gain knowledge. The Operations and Supply Chain Management Bachelor in Business Management program has become one of the most popular programs at Business School of Sri Lanka Technological Campus due to the vast area that we touch upon. All the academics at SLTC try their level best to create an industry fit, exposing the undergraduates to different levels of practical scenarios. This has made the program unique and more interesting. So supply chain would typically start with procuring raw materials to manufacture a product and moving it to the processing location and storing it in a warehouse. Until this point, there will be many processes, tasks that students will collect their knowledge in this program. Then the raw materials will move to the conversion process, or we call as the value addition process. So this is what we call as operations.
Operations management is about how organizations produce goods and services. Every book you borrow from the library, every food you eat from a restaurant, every treatment you received at the hospital, and every lecture you attend at university or tuition class. In all these situations, goods or services have been produced. Operations management includes activities such as organizing work, selecting suitable processes, arranging layouts, locating facilities, designing jobs, measuring performance, controlling quality, scheduling work, and planning production.
Once the operation is completed, the finished product would be again handed over to warehouse for supply chain related activities such as storage and distribution based on the demand parameters. So at Business School of Sri Lanka Technological Campus, we have a dedicated team of academics who will look after their students.
Operations and supply chain management serve as an excellent career path to upper management positions in many organizations. The reason is that operations and supply chain managers are responsible for key decisions that affect the success of the organization. In here, you can see the available job opportunities in both operations and supply chain management fields. The Chief Executive Officer, in other terms CEO, can be identified as most respectful and highest job position in the organization structure. So, every CEO should aware of the operations and supply chain activities in the organization. If not, it will be very difficult for them to guide the whole organization to achieve the strategic goals and objectives. BBM in Operations and Supply Chain Management degree program at SLTC will definitely create a core value to your future life.